Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo T1 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the apps. Now we have to tap on see all 86 apps, of course 86 in my case, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on reset up preferences. And as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so the disabled apps and their notifications, the default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.